As a quadriplegic, it can be difficult doing tasks with no finger function, and one of the tasks that's difficult to do is cleaning or drying out your ears with a Q-tip after your shower. If you're like me, I always like doing that after my shower and it felt really good, but it can be tricky doing that with no finger function. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use a Q-tip to clean or dry out my ears. Let me know how you clean or dry out your ears. Check out the article I wrote for using a Q-tip on my website livingablebodied.com, which is linked in the description of this video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mason Ellis. I'm a C5 through C7 quadriplegic, and I make videos to help you live life just like you would if able-bodied. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I have this Q-tip. I will put it right here between my thumb and index finger and then hold it like this and kind of push my thumb up against my chest, and I'll take this Q-tip and run it up in between my index finger and middle finger like this and get it to where the Q-tip rests right there on the front side of my thumb knuckle, and then I will take my other finger and put it like this so that way it prevents the Q-tip from moving. This is how it will look. This makes it to where the Q-tip is secured, and I will put it in there and run it around like this until I think it's good enough and pull it out. I will do the same thing with the other side. I put it between my index and middle finger like that and get my index finger around this to where it's like that, and put my thumb here and do the same thing with this side, with this ear. Circles back and forth, do that. This might seem like a stupid video, but after becoming a quadriplegic, you have to learn how to do pretty much everything, and this is just one thing that if you can do, it feels like you are more independent, and it might boost your confidence in figuring out other things. I know one of my most popular videos, whenever I recorded it, I thought it was stupid, and that was opening pill bottles, but that video has 50,000 views, and it continues to get several views every month, being one of my top performing videos. Check out the article I wrote for using a Q-tip on my website livingablebodied.com, which is linked in the description of this video. That is how I use a Q-tip to clean or dry out my ears. Let me know in the comments how you use a Q-tip or how you clean or dry out your ears. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you watch another one of my videos.